Welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain here chemical properties of alcohols and phenols. In that first laboratory test of alcohols and phenols, litmus test. Aqueous solution of alcohol is neutral to litmus. Neither blue or red litmus change color. Means aqueous solution of alcohol is neutral, not acidic, not basic in nature. To litmus paper. Aqueous solution of phenols turn blue litmus paper red. If blue litmus paper turns red, it's acidic, and red litmus paper turns blue, it's a basic compound. And if blue litmus paper turns red, it is acidic compound. But aqueous solution of alcohol is neutral to litmus. Neither blue or red litmus change color, means not change color. Aqueous solution of phenol turn blue litmus paper red, means thus phenols have acidic character. Reactions with base. It's a phenol. Phenol reacts with sodium bicarbonate. There is no reaction. Then next, phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide in aqueous state. Formation of sodium phenoxide ions and byproduct water. Then sodium phenoxide ion in aqueous state reacts with HCl in aqueous state, formation of phenol plus NaCl in aqueous state. Means alcohols show no acidic character in aqueous solution, not react with NaOH or sodium bicarbonate. Means alcohol is not acidic, not basic, therefore not reacts with sodium hydroxide or sodium bicarbonate. When reacts with very strong base like alkali metals, sodium or potassium to give. Means alcohol not reacts with sodium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide base or sodium bicarbonate base. But when reacts with very strong bases like alkali metals, which alkali metals? Sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. For example, sodium or potassium to give alcohol plus sodium gives sodium alkoxide and hydrogen remove. Liberation of H2 gas is used to detect the presence of alcoholic OH group in molecule. Means in the laboratory, how to find the alcohol? When alcohol reacts with sodium metal, formation of sodium alkoxide ion and liberation of H2. Therefore, liberation of H2 gas is used to detect the presence of alcoholic hydroxyl group in the molecule. Then next, characteristic test for phenols. In that, phenol reacts with ferric chloride. Ferric chloride, you know the difference between ferric chloride and ferrous chloride. Ferrous chloride means FeCl2 and ferric chloride means FeCl3. Deep color of ferric phenoxide, then removal of means byproduct HCl. Then next, distinguishing test for alcohols. Lucas reagent. Which Lucas means? What is the Lucas reagent? Concentrated HCl and ZnCl2 means zinc dichloride and concentrated HCl, mixture of concentrated HCl and zinc dichloride. It's a Lucas reagent. Primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols can be distinguished by Lucas reagent. C. Alcohol reacts with this Lucas reagent, formation of insoluble alkyl halide. Then clear solution becomes turbid when product start forming. Means alcohol solution of alcohol is alcoholic solution is a clear solution, but when reacts with Lucas reagent, formation of insoluble product, means clear solution becomes turbid, means insoluble product turbid or precipitate is formed. Therefore, clear solution becomes turbid when product start forming. Means how to distinguish primary alcohol, secondary alcohol or tertiary alcohols in the laboratory. In that first, tertiary alcohol reacts fast and reagent turns turbid instantaneously. Means When tertiary alcohol reacts with Lucas reagent, reacts fast means reagent turns turbid instantaneously, means clear solution becomes turbid fast. Clear solution becomes turbid fast. It's a tertiary alcohol. Then secondary alcohol. What is the test for secondary alcohol? Secondary alcohol turn reagent turbid slowly, means slower than tertiary alcohol, means it's a secondary alcohol. Then primary alcohol turn reagent turbid only on heating, means without heating the solution of primary alcohol cannot be reacts with Lucas reagent. When heating with, for example, ROH, means it's a primary alcohol, reacts with Lucas reagent, means HCl, concentrated HCl, and ZnCl2. Primary alcohol reacts with Lucas reagent. The product is formed when the reactant heated, turn reagent turbid only on heating, means these are the distinguishing test for alcohols. How to detect the tertiary alcohol, secondary alcohol or primary alcohol. Then next point, reactions due to breaking of hydroxyl group, means OH bond. Reactions due to breaking of OH bond. Acidic character of alcohols and phenol. In that first acidic character of alcohols and phenols, ionization of alcohol, ROH plus H2O, means ionization of alkoxide ion, and ionization of phenols, means acidic character of alcohols and phenols. Comparison between acidic character of alcohols and phenols. When the ionization of alcohol takes place, hydroxyl group alkoxide ions is formed, means oxygen contain negative charge. In that second, ionization of phenol, when ionization of phenol takes place, phenoxide ions form, oxygen contain negative charge. Same oxygen, here is also oxygen, here is also oxygen. Oxygen contain negative charge, here is also oxygen contain negative charge. But stabilization of this negative charge is more than this alkoxide ion, because it's a plus I effect, means electron donating inductive effect, and in that electron donating resonance effect is formed. See the ionization of phenoxide ion. Resonance structure of phenoxide ion, O minus. This carbon contain negative charge, then oxygen carbon double bond. This carbon contain negative charge, carbon carbon double bond. Then next, this carbon contain negative charge. Means the negative charge is stabilized by resonance in the phenoxide ion. Therefore, this structure is more stable. Its structure, phenoxide ion structure, is more stable, and only one alkyl group is in the primary alcohol, only one alkyl group. Therefore, the stable ion, means this phenoxide ion is more stable than alkoxide ion. Therefore, phenol is more acidic than alcohol. Then next, esterification of alcohol. This alcohol reacts with RC double bond OCl in presence of pyridine, formation of ester. Same reaction, phenol is also reacts with this reagent in presence of pyridine, formation of ester. Then next, salicylic acid. See the structure of salicylic acid. Is the benzene ring, C double bond OH, and in the ortho position of this acidic group, OH group is present, means salicylic acid reacts with acetic anhydride. It's the acetic anhydride Formation of aspirin means it's a ester. Formation of ester means aspirin, acetyl salicylic acid. Then next, reactions due to breaking of CO bond in alcohols. Breaking of CO bond in alcohol. In that first, I explained the breaking of OH bond. In that carbon oxygen bond, breaking of carbon and oxygen bond, reaction with hydrogen halide. Hydrogen halide means HCl. Alcohol reacts with HCl, hydrochloric acid. Formation of hydrochloric acid is also known as hydrogen halide. Anhydrous ZnCl2. Anhydrous means absence of water. Anhydrous ZnCl2 formation of RCl means alkyl halide. In the byproduct H2O. See, tertiary alcohol, secondary alcohol means reactivity of tertiary alcohol, secondary alcohol and primary alcohol. HCl reacts only in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2. No catalyst is required in the case of HBr and EHI. Means when HI and HBr is used except HCl, no catalyst means not necessary to use anhydrous ZnCl2. But if HCl is used, the necessary of anhydrous ZnCl2 means reactivity of hydrogen iodide, hydrogen bromide and hydrochloric acid. This is the reactivity of these hydrogen halides. Then reaction with phosphorus halides. Phosphorus halide means PX3 or PX5. PX3 or PX5, these are the phosphorus pentahalide. When alcohol reacts with PX3, phosphorus trihalide, formation of alkyl halide, and second is also same, alcohol reacts with PX5 or PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, formation of RCl plus HCl POCl3 means formation of alkyl halide. Then dehydration of alcohol to alkene. Dehydration means removal of water molecule. Means it's a Sedgwick rule, removal of water molecule. The formation of more stable product. Dehydration of alcohols to alkyl. Dehydration means removal of H2O. See the reactant 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms are present. Means it's a butyl alcohol. N-butyl alcohol reacts with H2SO4. 75% H2SO4. Temperature 413 Kelvin. Formation of but1-ene. Why is it but1-ene? Because removal of water molecule means Sedgwick rule. Then oxidation of alcohol. Oxidation of alcohols. In that first primary alcohol, then secondary alcohol, then tertiary alcohol. In that primary oxidation of primary alcohol, PCC, pyridine chlorochromate. PCC oxidation in presence of PCC, formation of aldehyde. Then next, secondary alcohol reacts with chromic anhydride. Oxidation is an oxidizing agent. It is also oxidizing agent. Secondary alcohol reacts with chromic anhydride, formation of ketone. Then CrO3 means chromic anhydride and PCC means pyridinium chlorochromate. Tertiary alcohol are difficult to oxidize. On oxidation with strong oxidizing agent at high temperature, tertiary alcohol undergo breaking of carbon-carbon bond. Means primary alcohol, oxidation of primary alcohol is easy, secondary alcohol is also easy, but the tertiary alcohol. Then the next point is heating with copper. When vapors of various types of alcohols are passed over hot copper, following reaction are observed. Means oxidation of alcohol to aldehyde. Primary alcohol to aldehyde. When vapors of various types of alcohols are passed over hot copper, following reactions are observed. Means the oxidation of alcohol. Then next, reactions of phenols. Phenols undergo electrophilic substitution reaction more readily as compared to benzene. Because of hydroxyl group present on benzene ring. Phenol undergo electrophilic substitution reaction more readily as compared to benzene. The hydroxyl group in phenol is a ring activating and an ortho-para dielectric group. Means the hydroxyl group in the phenol is a ring activating group. Therefore, the lone pairs, because the lone pairs on oxygen atom and the ring stabilize the negative charge or phenoxide ions negative charge. Therefore, it more activating group. Hydroxyl group is more activating and it's ortho and para directing, not meta directing. Ortho and para means it's the ortho position, this two are ortho position and this is the para position. These are the meta positions. In that first halogenation of phenol, it's the phenol reacts with bromine in presence of water, formation of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. 2,4,6 means it's the first position, ipso position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2,4,6 tribromophenol and the byproduct is hydrogen bromide. Then if low polar solution is used like CaCl3 and CCl4 means carbon tetrachloride or chloroform or CS2 carbon disulfide means water is a more polar solution. If low polar solution is used like CaCl3 means CaCl3 chloroform, carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide, these are the low polar solution than water. Phenol reacts with Br2 in presence of low polar solution like CS2 in low temperature, formation of orthobromophenol and parabromophenol means mixture of product is formed. See the difference between these two reactions. It's a more polar solution and it's a low polar solution. More polar solution, if we use more polar solution like water, formation of 2,4,6 tribromophenol is formed. If the low polar solution is used in water, formation of mixture of product, orthobromophenol and parabromo, it's a parabromophenol. Next reaction, nitration of phenol. Phenol dilute nitric acid HNO3, it's a dilute nitric acid. When phenol is reacts with dilute nitric acid, formation of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. It's ortho position, it's a para position, it's a meta position and it's meta position. Why NO2 group not goes to this meta position? Because the hydroxyl group in phenol is a ortho para directing group, not a meta directing group. Therefore, the mixture of product is formed orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. Then next, if concentrated HNO3 is used, means concentrated acid is used, formation of picric acid means 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. It is also known as common name picric acid is formed. If dilute nitric acid is used, mixture of product is formed. If concentrated acid is used, picric acid is formed, means only one product is formed, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol means picric acid. Then sulfonation of phenol, it's a phenol. Sulfuric acid is used, H2SO4. Here is also sulfuric acid is used because sulfonation of phenol, sulfuric acid is used, but the temperature are different. Different temperature, different products are formed. 293 Kelvin temperature, orthophenol sulfonic acid means orthophenol sulfonic acid is formed. If the temperature, give the temperature 373 Kelvin, the product paraphenol sulfonic acid is formed. See, the reagent is same. Reagent is same, but the product is different. Why different? Because temperature, difference of temperature. Then next reaction, Riemann-Tiemann reaction. In that reaction, phenol reacts with chloroform. In presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide, this intermediate is formed. Then this intermediate reacts with sodium hydroxide, formation of these ions, sodium phenoxide ions, and aldehyde group on ortho position. Then next salicylic acid is formed, means this Na plus removed by means hydrolysis of these ions, formation of salicylic acid. Then next, Kolb reaction. Sodium phenoxide reacts with carbon dioxide in presence of 398 Kelvin temperature and 6 atmospheric pressure. Sodium salicylate, first intermediate sodium salicylate is formed, then salicylic acid is formed. Means it's a Kolb reaction. It's a Kolb reaction. In that first, so oxygen contain negative charge, sodium contain positive charge. It's a CO2. Means the structure of CO2 is this. This carbon is electron deficient because the oxygen and oxygen, negatively charged oxygen, are present. Therefore, this is a electron deficient carbon atom. This is electron rich carbon atom because resonance structure. This electron rich carbon means this carbon contain negative charge. This negative charge attacks on this carbon atom and O minus means carbon oxygen double bond converted into carbon oxygen single bond, and oxygen contain negative charge. This negative charge attacks on this sodium, means formation of sodium salicylate, Na plus and O minus, sodium salicylate. Hydrolysis of this sodium salicylate, formation of salicylic acid, means sodium, removal of sodium by H plus ions. This is the salicylic acid. Salicylic acid means hydroxyl group, and in ortho position means phenol, and hydroxyl group's ortho position acid group is present. Therefore, it's a salicylic acid. Then oxidation of phenol. Oxidation of phenol. Phenol reacts with CrO3 or Na2Cr2O7 means sodium dichromate. K2Cr2O7 means potassium dichromate. Na2Cr2O7 means sodium dichromate. In presence of H2SO4, quinone is formed. Quinone is formed. These are the reactions of oxidation of phenol, reactions of alcohols and phenols.